Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download a Spotify player. So for downloading it, click on window key and then search here Microsoft Office. Store. So open Microsoft Store and then search here Spotify. And here you can see Spotify music and podcast. Click on install. And just wait. It is getting ready. So as you can see, it is downloading. It is of 164 MB. So this will take some time according to your internet speed. So let it download and then I will explain you how can you install and open it. So as you can see, the Spotify is installed and here there is showing open. So click on open. So as you can see, the Spotify is open. Now you can start listening to millions of songs free on Spotify. Thanks for watching.